Hey you guys, my name's Dee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some more videos. So I got way better at making these. My first attempt, I'm not proud of my first attempt, so we're back at it again. And these are better because the way that they're better is I masked these separately so that it just looks cleaner now. That's all. Cutaway, green, blue. There's whites too, because this would be too dark for this situation. But you get it. And so use these ones, don't use the other ones. These ones I'm more proud of. Thank you for following my channel, for subscribing to my channel. See you next week.